With your thoracic CARs, you have the option of just crossing your arms across your chest like this, or my favorite, hugging yourself, going, if you have the scapular and shoulder mobility, give yourself a big hug and try and grab your shoulder blades on each side, and you can do it like this as well. I won't for the sake of, it's just gonna increase the audio in this mic and it's gonna be like I'm blowing your ears out. My all-time favorite way is actually grabbing like a medicine ball or a big round object and hugging it as I go through my car, because then I can curl my spine around the object and use it for irradiation, which is really nice. So just know that you have those options available to you. I'll go this route. We'll just make an X with our arms. I'm going to try and keep my neck still, keep my lower body still, such that the only thing that moves is my rib cage in between. I'm going to slowly curl my upper back, finding my abdominals to curl that spine. Then just like you did with your neck, you're going to rotate to one side. Once you can't rotate anymore, you're going to pull your right shoulder down to your right hip. You're going to start rotating up towards the ceiling, pulling your chest up towards the ceiling, squeezing those muscles that exist on either side of your spine, rotating all the way to the left, pulling the left shoulder down to the left hip, and then curling back through. As you curl back through, you'll hit pause. You'll reverse, rotate to the left as far as you can, drop that left shoulder down to the left hip, squeeze those spine muscles as you pull your chest up towards the ceiling, rotate to the right, pull your right shoulder down to your right hip, and start curling back through flexion. One big thing to just try and be aware of and be conscious of is that your hips don't move as you rotate. So as you rotate to one side, try not to allow your hip to rotate and come along for the ride as well. Again, just be conscious of it. Try your best to isolate it to your thoracic spine.